Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Fantasy Premier League account. So this is helpful if you want to start playing FPL and build your own team for the Premier League season. So the process is very simple. It only takes a few minutes. So to begin, open up any browser or Premier League app on your device, and you can do this on your iPhone or Android as well. If you're using a browser, just search for Fantasy Premier League. Once the results load, open the official Fantasy Premier League website. And when the page opens, scroll down a little until you see the register now option. So click or tap on that button to get started and give it a moment to load the sign up page. Now you'll be taken to the registration form. So in here, you can sign up using your email address. So enter your email, then continue. After that, you'll need to fill in your details. So type in your password, your first name, and your date of birth. So select your gender, choose your country of residence, and add your nationality. There's also an option to enter your phone number, but that part is optional. Once everything is filled out, agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on create account. Now, check your email inbox because you'll receive a verification code. Open your email, find the code, and go back to the sign up page. Enter the code to verify your account, and once that is done, tap continue, and your Fantasy Premier League account will be ready to use. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.